Howdy YouTube, got a surprise for you today. It's right behind this door. Let's take a look, shall we? Well, there we have it. There's your surprise. I cleaned it off. There's some junk, you know, just bags of rock salt and a couple saws and a couple buckets that need moved, but it's cleaned off for the most part. Up front here, there's parts for it in the bed, so there's that, and two fenders are next to it along the fender and the cardboard boxes, as you can see. But there's the namesake of the channel, my 1986 Chevy K30. Told y'all I had one shoved in here somewhere. So the story of this truck, from what I'm told, I guess I am technically the second owner. I haven't really looked that up, but first, you know, non-official owner was the U.S. government. It was supposedly a Air Force truck. So first, you know, on paper owner was the company I bought it off of, and second owner's me. That's as far as I know. Not 100% certain on that. But anyways, was an Air Force truck. It's Air Force blue. It has U.S. government parts that I saw, like the bezel. On the back of the bezels, got like U.S. government etched into it and whatnot. But anyway, and 16-year-old me cut holes in it. But that's, you know, that's all right. So it's an Air Force truck, as I was told. Then a company bought it. This company buys surplus vehicles. This company doesn't exist anymore, as far as I know. I've been past where I got this, and they're not there. And I believe they're closed. But anyway, this company bought surplus vehicles and leased them out to companies and municipalities to be used. This one spent its life as a supervisor's truck for a municipality west of me, up in the mountains of Pennsylvania. About 2 hours, I'd say. And this truck, the place I bought it off of, was about an hour and a half, I'd say, away from me. But I bought it in November of 2012, if memory serves correctly. I was 16 years old. And after taxes, fees, plate, all the fun stuff, $18.26 out the door. Cash money. I cut grass. I bought this thing. Still had my permit at the time. It was awesome. I love this thing. And I drove it, once I got my license, basically daily. I drove it a good bit. School, church, cutting grass. It's worked a good bit. So I drove this pretty much daily until July-ish of 2015, if memory serves correctly. Driving it, just got a new job. It was parked because I broke it. And I was like, you know what? I just got a new job. First official job. You know, not cutting grass anymore. On the papers, on the books. 19 years old. Driving water truck in the oil field. So I decided, park it, I'll fix it up, do it right. Here we are 6 years later, and nothing's been done. I haven't touched it. Only thing I've done is moved it from the rocks outside and shoved it in the garage here, which it's a tight fit, but we got her in there. It was parked because I overloaded it and broke a leaf spring. And also, since then it has developed an engine noise. I do not know what it is, but also, since it's been parked in the garage, it has dumped all the oil out onto the floor. So I guess we're gonna have to be tearing into an engine. But anyways, 6 years later, here it is. Let's pop the hood. Check it out. Alright, so first off, I can't find any pictures, really. I have one picture of it. I've been through a couple phones since then, and I think most of the pictures when I got this was on our Kodak camera, so I might be able to pull the SD card out of that and see if they're on there. But anyway, that's for a later date. I'll post a picture of it sort of sitting outside so you can see it a little bit better. But anyway, 1986, as I said, it's a 1-ton K30 4-wheel drive. It's a crew 4-door 3+3, so 2 bench seats, 8-foot bed, single rear wheel. It's got 350 small block. That's what we're looking at right now. If I didn't check an engine code or anything, but according to the VIN number, this should be a 4-bolt main block. We shall see. It's got hydro boost. Even comes with the stock jack, and jack handles are over there. So that 350 goes back into a turbo 400, which goes to a NP 205 transfer case, which rear axle is it's the big 14-bolt full floater, corporate GM 14-bolt, and the front is a Dana 60 kingpin axle. So this thing's stout. I have abused it. Not too bad, but it's been used. But here it is. So just decided I'm wanting to get this at least worked on a little bit, maybe get it running here sooner than later. So wanted to take the time to show you the namesake of the channel. Hope you guys stick around to see its progress in the future. So on top of this, we have a 78 Bronco. That's my sister's. You've seen on the channel. She'll be paying for that. I'll help her work on it and shoot the videos, but that's her financial monster, I guess. I've got this thing. I also have my 04 Blazer, which I really don't want to talk about right now. Yeah, we'll just leave it at that. And then we have a 2018, I believe, Nissan Altima. And I've got work trucks and trailers and tractors and a bunch of other random garbage. And someone's pulling in my driveway. But, yeah, so I hope you like, share, and subscribe for more. Follow this thing and our other projects through in the future and whatever else shenanigans I get into. And you can follow me on social media, K30 Crazy, both Instagram and Facebook. And the Bronco on Instagram is Benny the 78 Bronco. So thanks for watching. Have a good one. And as I always say, stay crazy, people.